Hey, Sweet Stick Sonny on the trail. We are in Sandy, Utah, near Salt Lake City, and we're going to be hiking the Wasatch National Forest Bells Canyon Trail. This area, it is an outdoor enthusiast paradise. You're near the city, but within minutes you are in the mountains. I mean, I'm seeing bikes, kayaks, walking trails. It is amazing. It is so clean. There are more parks. There's pickleball everywhere. I am excited. I will see you on the trail. So we're about a half an hour into this hike. Bells Canyon Trailhead, Sandy, Utah. And these are the Wasatch Mountains, and that's where we're heading. It's really nice out here, super quiet, and we're just getting started. We're about an hour into this hike, and I wanted to show you how the trail has changed. This is granite. This is a granite peak that we're heading to, and you can see that the trail is made up of a lot of boulders and rocks. It's a good trail, but you got to pay attention and you got to watch your step. I'm about a mile from the waterfalls, and I can already hear the water. So this is pretty cool. I have to say, Utah is amazing. It is probably the cleanest and the most organized place that I've been to since I've been out on the trail. And I've been to a lot of trails, so my hat's off to Utah. We're about an hour and 15 minutes into this hike. You know what? I never get tired of granite. It is carved over the eons, and it is magnificent every time you see it. This place is something special. This is a double E ticket attraction right here. Listen to that beautiful, clean mountain water. I'm speechless. The last quarter mile was straight uphill, and now I know why it was worth it. Wow. Taking you all the way around. Okay, I'm heading back. We just got off the trail, Bells Canyon Trail to the waterfall. Whoa, it was awesome. It was a great hike. It was a little over 6 miles. It took us about 2.5 hours. It was a great trail. You're walking in a neighborhood, and then all of a sudden the trail starts, and as you get rolling, the next thing you know, you're in the national forest. What a great area. You're in the mountains. It is such a beautiful town. In the wintertime, they're in the mountains skiing, and in the summertime, they're riding their bike. Down the road, Draper, Utah, is one of the biggest hang gliding areas in the country. Last night, an amazing sight. If you ever get in this area, Bells Canyon Trail, Sandy, Utah, you got to check it out. You will not be disappointed. I will see you next time on the trail.